My PS AK-47 from Palmetto State Armory is getting a furniture upgrade from Boyds. All that in this video. Gavin here from UltimateReloader.com. We've been having a lot of fun with the PS AK-47 GF3. In fact, we've got a full video where we recently went in depth on getting it out of the box, talking about all the features, feeds, and speeds, specifications, and we also shot a variety of ammo, both unsuppressed and suppressed. Lots of fun. Now it's time to take the look of this PSAK to the next level with a set of AK-47 furniture from Boyds hardwood gun stocks. We've done a ton of work with Boyds on different rifles, mostly bolt action stuff that you've seen here on the channel. Lots of fun. It's a great way for a quick upgrade on ergonomics, on looks, on functionality, that kind of thing. Okay, so this is not intended to be a how-to video. I'm not going to show all of the individual steps. In fact, there's things that we can't show, scary guns with upgrades here. But what I want to do is focus on that kind of before and after. So I'm going to get started with my tools, and then I'll show you the final result. So I was pleasantly surprised. That was easier than I thought. This is my first time messing with AK furniture. It was really straightforward. It started by a simple field strip. So we got the dust cover, the carrier spring, and the bolt. We removed all of that. There's one screw that holds the grip in place. It slides out, very easy. Two screws that hold on the buttstock. You can see those two holes right here. There's a separate piece that comes out, kind of a bracket of sorts. And then on the sort of handguard side of things, in the gas tube cover, we've got a lever here that allows the gas tube and cover to pivot up off the top here, and then underneath there's a little lever that enables this ring on the front to slide forward, and then you can slide the handguard piece off. All of that really simple and straightforward. And so I started with the buttstock, got things all lined up, took the buttstock over to the milling machine. I had used a Sharpie to circle where my holes were going to be, and I drilled a clearance hole for the wood screws. I came back and put that together. I did a fairly tight fit, a fairly small, basically the body of the screw, not the threads, but just the body portion, same kind of diameter there. Things came together very tight, very solid on the buttstock. Installed the grip. The only thing you have to remember there is there's a washer that comes with the furniture from Boyds that keeps the wood from crushing. Same screw, held that in place, and then I went to the front of the rifle and found that you kind of rotate this top gas tube cover out of place, and the wood piece from Boyds rotated right into place, held captive. Perfect, nice and tight, but was easy to rotate into place. The only fitting that I had to do was I trimmed a little bit off the front of the handguard here on the milling machine. I just had it vertical and took a 1/4 inch end mill and kind of worked my way around. You could do the same kind of thing with a file or with the Dremel, something like that. And I got it perfect. That little lever was really hard to push over. I gave it a couple taps with a dead blow type hammer, and just perfect. You don't want to bend it, you don't want to force it, but nice and tight with wood, a little bit of compression, really great stuff. And I also screwed the backcountry suppressor back on. This guy is really, really good looking. What an upgrade. The furniture is so solid. I was only made aware of how kind of flimsy the stock furniture is when I took it off. And I like the OD green, but this is a great upgrade. And if we wanted to do the true east versus west thing, we've got our AR. You're going to want to check out that story. We actually did a completely dedicated Rumble story that goes in depth on the upgrade, and we had kind of some shooting fun and that kind of thing. So there's the two east versus west side by side. I'd say if you're looking for wood furniture for your AK, definitely check out this Boyd stuff. But we're not done. We got to go shoot. Let's see what this is going to do. Nice. Well, on this project, I would say mission accomplished. This baby is looking great, as is my AR. I'm having a lot of fun with this. In fact, now I'm thinking I might need a second set of Boyds furniture for my other AK. What do you guys think? Are you running Boyds furniture on your AR or AK? What color did you pick? What kind of rig are you running it on? Drop a comment and we'll start a discussion. Don't forget to check out those other videos in depth covering the AR install, also with Nutmeg furniture. Thank you for watching. That concludes this video. That means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. If you're interested in custom rifles like what we build here on the channel or gunsmithing services, you're going to want to go to rifles.ultimatereloader.com and get on the wait list. If you want to learn lucrative gunsmithing like what I show here on the channel, including building custom rifles and Cerakote plus a whole bunch more, you're going to want to check out the Colorado School of Trades, schooloftrades.edu. Thanks again for watching.